Hello, friends and respected teachers. I am pleased to get connected with you through this virtual medium on the outset of my manuscript publication in Journal of Integrated Standardized Homeopathy, in short JIS, in the January to March 21 issue. Before giving you a brief account of what my paper is all about, I would like to share my experience of processing of my manuscript by the JIS team. I have found that it is having an easy online submission, prompt review services are available, and a friendly support system to enhance and guide the quality of medical literature writing. It has changed the way in which I used to think, reproduce my experiences, or write a manuscript, and I would say that indeed it is a very good learning experience of writing manuscript for JISH. The title of my manuscript is Incorporating Hahnemann Principles in the Practice of Telemedicine, Current Scenario and Future Possibilities. As we are aware that COVID-19 pandemic had prevented people from accessing medical care in person, in such a scenario, we are aware that telemedicine had emerged as a boon. We are also aware about that telemedicine helped to increase the availability of homeopathy during this pandemic. The Ayush Ministry had formulated guidelines to enable registered homeopathic practitioners to safely provide healthcare using telemedicine. And the homeopathic fraternity has been very much quick and responsive to offer preventive and curative treatment options during the COVID 19 pandemic. The management strategy comprises following preventive measures as well as educating people and the in general providing immunity enhancing interventions. The second step is to provide homeopathic symptomatic mitigation to available to mitigation to affected people. And in this paper, we demonstrated the scope of telemedicine in homeopathy practice by incorporating Hahnemann principles in a case-based learning module. As Ayush has released telemedicine practice guidelines in homeopathy, which can be effectively applied in this COVID 19 pandemic scenario, and it has been found that it helps in preventing the spread of disease and aborts the disease progression from mild to severe, irrespective of comorbidities and the nature of disease. The paper focuses on this aspect, how we can learn uh, application of Ayush telemedicine practice guidelines and incorporation of Hahnemann principles can be effectively demonstrated through case-based learning modules in view to enable the registered homeopathic practitioner to develop rational thinking and to learn from his or her clinical experiences for undertaking tri-coordinate care, that is patient care, knowledge care and learner care. To read this full manuscript, you just have to click on the embedded link in this message, or you can purchase it online for any time access to the manuscript. And if you are not a GIST subscriber yet, then please subscribe so that it can contribute to help homeopathy to grow with honest and standardized evidences. Thank you.